Hello coders, welcome back to my channel LazyCoder. Today we will see queue management system project. So let's proceed. So this is the dashboard of a patient where we have the QR code which will be scanned at the hospital and this is the patient dashboard. If we go to the admin dashboard, manage queue page, this is saying that emergency detected. Okay, and in this project we have integrated the Gemini API which will predict the urgent basis of patient so that they will not have to wait for a longer time. Okay, so based on the urgency it will prioritize the queue. Okay, and we have created the report also for this project using all the diagrams like DFT, ERD diagrams, FBC, and have explained all the code implementation logics of the AI here. Okay, so I have implemented multiple features like this is the home page, about us, contact us. So before proceeding with the project, let's go to my channel LazyCoder ABC. Here I have uploaded multiple projects based on the AI like pharmacy management system, airline reservation, online bookstore, clinic management, deploy management. So multiple projects we have created, so you can check this out on my channel. If you want custom project also, you can just ping me on WhatsApp or you can email me. I will reply you over there. Okay, so let's proceed with the project and let's explain all the features one by one. So in one window ABC here, this is the home page where I have explained everything like what will be the average wait time, 98% prediction, how much patient we have served till now. So these are the details on the home page and it's about us page. So I have designed this like get in touch, contact us form is there, right? And the timings of opening hours. This is the login page, and so you can create your account from here also like the patient account. Okay, if we click on here, the form will appear which will ask the few details. Okay, and these you can fill, and once you will fill, your account will be automatically created. You do not need to approved by admin or someone else. Okay, so you just create account and login. So I have already created the account of admin, so let's log in with the admin account. Okay, and in the another window I have already logged in with the patient ID. Okay, if you see the dashboard here, okay, of both the patient and admin, both are different, right? On the admin side, it's saying the total registered patient in the queue. Okay, and predicted average wait is 14 minutes, and these are the patient that we have served till now. Okay, and okay, so let's proceed with the patient side first. Once patient will register and log in with their credential, there will be a dashboard here soon on which you will, okay, one second, let me download this scanner. So once you will log in with your patient ID, what you will get that you have to describe your prescription. Okay, and just click on the get token button. Okay, so based on your symptoms, okay, or prescription that you have written there in the text box, it will give you generate you tokens, and it will give you some AI score based on the urgency. Okay, so I have already created this token, so let's download this QR code here. Okay, in your mobile. So yeah, of course it will be saved in your mobile, right? Okay, so I have saved this, and once you go to the hospital with the same QR code, it will be scanned at your gate, right? In the hospital entrance it will be scanned. Okay, so it can be used using your camera, means if the hospital staff have the camera, it can be scanned by there, or they can upload your image. Okay, so just select it. So you can see that checked in means Sumit Kumar have checked in into the hospital, means they have come to the hospital. If we go to the manage queue here, okay, now it's saying that arrived, patient is arrived to hospital. Okay, and again if we go to the patient dashboard now, okay, now QR code is not showing here, right? It's just showing T2026, some token number is there based on the date and the time. Okay, so check-in is verified, clinical priority is 10, which is assigned by the AI only. Okay, so now it's saying that it's emergency detected. Why? Because AI score is 10. a patient have described that my child is choking down or something. So what doctor will do, it will just click on assign room. Suppose I will assign room 3. So just I will click on and then call next Sumit. Okay, so what I did that I called Sumit Kumar to consultation room 3. And suppose your doctor is in hurry mode, so doctor have not prescribed anything in a full sentence, right? Doctor do that. So what we will do that, we will just put that paracetamol 500 is there, right? Oh, 1 second. Okay, 500 mg is there. Rest 2 days, drink water, come back if fever is greater than 102, and just I will click on complete session. Okay, so in the background what it is doing, that it is just scanning the doctor prescription and analyzing what all data will be go to the patient in a proper sentence. Okay, so now go to the patient dashboard and let's see my tokens, my appointments, it will go. Okay, go to the history, right? So today is 12th of April. So I will go to this view health plan. Okay, now you can see that this is the doctor that assigned, right? On this original notes is this, and what AI has said that, hello there, here is your personalized health plan based on the doctor's notes. Please keep this. Means it says that name, dosage, frequency, right? Diet, please ensure in proper sentence it have written. So what I have did that, I have just created the API tokens using the Gemini. Okay, and put that, and then I got the all the means the notes from the doctors, and then I have just modified the prompts. Okay, and then created this beautiful AI optimized health plan for the patient, so that it will be easy for patient to read it. Okay, and it will be easy for doctor also, so that it will there will no any confusion. They can just write random messy handwritten notes or something like that. Okay, so that it will be easy for both the patient and the doctors. Okay, if we see go to the my tokens again. Okay, so I have already created that token earlier, right? So now you get the you can generate another token. Okay, so if I want to generate another token, get AI token, here what you can see that it's saying that please describe your symptoms, right? Here you can write it, or you can use the mic also to if patient is not suppose it's they are illiterate, so what they can do that they can just click on this microphone and then describe their symptoms. Okay, so here it's saying that some examples is also written here, like my grandfather fell and is unconscious, right? So possible stroke. Okay, so what we can write, okay, let's suppose some simple symptoms like I have fever like 100 degrees Celsius, right? Let's see. Okay, so just write this process with AI. Okay, now you can see that queue wait is 5 minutes and clinical priority is not 10, it's 6.5, right? So based on the your symptoms, it will prioritize the order. So we have seen it, right? Once your child were choking, priority were 10, but now it's 6.5. So now what we will do that, we will just download the QR code so that it will be scanned at the hospital. Okay, so I have just saved it, and now I will go to the hospital again, and now you can see that I have fever 100 degrees Celsius is showing here and 6.5 is there, and then that red highlighter we are showing here, right? Code red is there, so that is gone, it's not coming here. So now I will do that. So it have not checked in, so status is not here, right? It's not showing here. So means what that mean that patient have booked the appointment but patient have not reached it, so must be checked in here. Okay, so if they have that QR code in their mobile, what they can scan it here, but currently I'm using my PC, so what I will just upload this is a QR code. Okay, it will be scanned automatically, manage queue, and then just call the patient. Okay, we have already seen this, just take rest, right? I will just write take rest. Means doctor is writing take rest. Okay, and now in the background it will take you can see that it's taking some time to create the prompts and getting the response from the Gemini API. Okay, so it is done. Now again go to the patient history. If we see, we got another health plan. You can see that, dear patient, here is the summary. Based on your recent review, no new medicines, right? We have not written any medicine, so it's saying clearly, right? Rest is there, hydration, nutrition, activity, means all the general symptoms it have written by itself only. Okay, so AI is doing behind that. If we see the another features of patient, this is the dashboard where you can generate your tokens. You can see the, if you have active token, it will be shown here. You can book the appointments. Okay, so suppose if you do not want to be in a queue, right? So every time you do not will be in a queue, if you want to some other dates, you can book the new appointment also with some doctors, and you can check any, click any dates and time and just book the appointment. It will be in the history. Profile settings is there, just to change the profile picture, names and address for mobile number. Okay, this is about the patient. And if we go to the admin, we have multiple options here, like overview will be there, which will show the complete visual. Okay, check-in scanner that we have already seen. Manage queue, suppose some patient have come to the hospital directly without any registration, right? So walk-in patient will be there. So choose the patients, okay, and just select symptoms by written by yourselves only, so that patient do not need to, what we can do that, a patient do not need to generate the token by itself, right? It can be done by the hospital staff. Okay, appointments will be there. Manage patient is there, just for add, edit, delete, right? Global history will be there. Okay, so AI analytics is there, so that it will be all the visuals will be, means all the stats of the hospital will be shown on the graphs, like pie chart, line chart, or this chart, right? Okay, so yeah, this is about the queue management system project. I know that multiple features can be implemented here, but I will do in the next few days. Okay, so for now you can just subscribe me, so that it will really motivate me to create more projects. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.